are in Thailand. We're in the Krabi province and we're here for 4 nights. We were originally in a $15 a night room, really budget friendly, but we had to upgrade to this because it was a little hot. The AC wasn't super strong. But we finally got settled into our room. We were waiting to check in. We got massages and pedicures and manicures. It was very, very fun.
My feet, my legs, and neck and shoulders, which I forgot about, and head.
For an hour, yes?
For
less than $8. And I got a manicure. Look at this view from our room. It's super nice. We're really close to the beach. Okay, we went out to get contact solution. And what did we get in addition to that?
$1.50 smoothie.
Look, oh my gosh, I just love this. This is so cute.
I wonder why.
And very handy.
I wonder why they have this though. So your hand's not making it all warm.
Free up your hand? I don't know. No, stop that. And $2 spring rolls. Nom.
$3.50 for this cool snack.
You poor sweaty person. It's hot out there, guys. We look red. Look at my shiny ass forehead.
I look sunburned already? Oh my god.
Wow. This is terrible. No.
What?
We ran out. It's really hot in Thailand right now, but this is Penang Krabi Resort. They just built this resort about 3 months ago, so it's really beautiful. Okay, so here's our balcony. And there is the mountains, the rooftop pool. There's another pool down there. So we're staying in Krabi to do a lot of boat hopping or island hopping. It's rainy today, so I think since we're here for 4 nights, we're just gonna chill out at the resort today and walk around, maybe go to the night market tonight. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this.
Oh yeah.
Good?
Coconut sauce.
Thailand dreams coming true. Having breakfast. Yeah, our cameras were fogging up, so we couldn't film properly in the beginning. Jordan and I found a friend. His name is, what's his name?
His name is Roscoe.
Roscoe, wow. Roscoe's following us now. We just had breakfast. It's kind of like really rainy today. It's good right now, but it's supposed to rain more later, so I think we're just gonna hang out here today and then we'll do like boat stuff tomorrow. What's that? Our cameras are fogging up too. We have to let them warm up first. I want to take a picture there. It's so beautiful. A swim up bar. This beautiful pool here. Jordan said that's the makeout spot down there. So we came to look for sunset at
Beach.
yes, there's none. Well, there's one down there. We found Roscoe again. Jordan's super happy about it.
Waiting for him to itch himself.
Yeah. Roscoe didn't miss us. No sunset at Ao Nang tonight, but still very nice. Look at the sand here. It's just a lot of shells, lots and lots of shells. We're gonna try mangosteen for the first time.
It's called mangosteen?
Mangosteen, yeah. Oh. It's super good. I don't know how to explain. Everyone online couldn't describe it either. It's so yummy. It's kind of like an orange, but sweeter. This is really delicious. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so good. That must be really good in smoothies. Here's the mangosteen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Thailand Orange Dream.
Okay, so we got these 2 shorts, These were like about $3 each. I got one for my sister. It's a little snug. I don't think you can try on in those stores, so it's kind of like a hit or miss, but I mean, it's $3. And then Jarden got these for, oh, look at this thread. Jarden got these for $5 each, which these are all like haggling prices, so you could pay more, you could pay less, depending on the shop and how you haggle. So this dress that I got at the market, that I got for $3.50 baht, somehow like some random orange oily sauce dripped on it later, which I don't know how, because we did not eat anything and it was not Jarden's shake. Like, it smells like meat. So I'm very sad. I'm still gonna wear it. I'm cheap. I don't care.